later on. Let us see the next keyword again, elaborate. Okay, so elaborate is something again a easy keyword कि जो भी इन्होंने context बताया है उसको थोड़ा सा बढ़ा चढ़ा के उसको बताना है. Alright, a very similar keyword with elaborate is going to be elucidate, which I'll discuss. So let us see the question. It was Dupleix who had first showed the way of intervening in disputes of the Indian rulers and thereby acquiring political control over vast territories, a technique which was later perfected by English East India Company. Elaborate. So they have given you a context. The context is with respect to which system? Subsidiary alliance. The subsidiary alliance system was first started by Dupleix. The idea came from there when he intervened in Carnatic and Hyderabad. And from there onwards, the system was later perfected by Wellesley. So there they are asking, just elaborate. Elaborate में हमें mostly जो context है उसको clear करना है. यहाँ पे आपने context को समझा, इन्होंने एक बार भी word use नहीं किया subsidiary alliance system. They have just given you context. You have to understand that context. The context is with respect to political domination over India. And for that they used one specific system and that system was subsidiary alliance. That subsidiary alliance system का जो initial idea है, it comes from Dupleix. The way he intervened in the Carnatic wars and that was then rivaled by the British. Okay. This is something which you need to remember कि elaborate में आपको एक context दिया जाएगा and you have to go deeper into that concept and then just mention the dimensions within that. यहाँ पर भी बहुत ज़्यादा analysis का scope नहीं होता है. Okay. Similarly, one more keyword with elaborate is elucidate. Mostly in elucidate, what they will do, they're going to give you a difficult statement. A difficult statement will be given to you और उसको आपको simplify करना पड़ता है. ठीक है? Like in elaborate, you are given relatively easy to understand context. Elucidate में थोड़ा सा difficult context आपको दिया जाएगा. Alright, like if I give you any situation कि continental system was responsible for the decline of Europe or the decline of Napoleon, तो elucidate. तो elucidate में अब आपको connect करना है दोनों को because I have given you one statement. Now you have to just talk about it. Okay, like a question came in I think 2013. They asked one question, Gandhiji's soul, okay, is with you even though his body is in jail. Okay, अब आपको context समझना है, उसके बाद क्या करना है? Elucidate. You should not drift away from his ideals. This is the beginning of the main examination of us as a nation. तो उन्होंने एक बड़ा context दिया and it is relatively going to be difficult to understand. So वो elucidate में आता है where you have to simplify whatever is written in the statement. So it is very close to elaborate. Elaborate में context थोड़ा सा easy होता है समझना, elucidate में थोड़ा सा difficult होता है. But here we do not go much against the state